Hey everyone, Tech Vibe here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends to like your Facebook page on the latest version of the app. So let's get started. So first thing is I'm going to go ahead and open up my Facebook here. And from here on, I want to switch over to the page that I want to invite my friends to like. So usually you can do it up here or at the bottom, but basically look for the menu. So we're going to tap on the menu here. And then from the menu here, we're going to down here. We're going to look for pages. If you don't see it, there might be options. Sometimes it's hidden under See More. You're going to tap on See More and you're going to look for pages. So you're going to tap on pages. And for there, you're going to see the pages that you manage with your account. So I'm going to tap the one that I manage here. And basically, I'm going to switch over to the page. So click on switch. And it's switching me over to the page. And then I'm going to go to my profile page here. So I click over here or over here to get to my page. Here. Now, once you get to your page, profile, you're going to tap on these 3 dots up here. And from here on, you're going to see here, invite people to connect, basically to like. So we're going to tap on that. And once we do that, we can go ahead and invite. As you can see here, friends. So in order to invite them, we're going to have to switch to our main account. And then it'll automatically show up all the friend that we have. So I have, as you can see here, all the friends. I can individually select them or select all. So if you want to select all of your friends, you would just click on select all. It'll select all of them for you. And you click on send invites, and it's going to go ahead and send them an invite request so they can go ahead and like your page. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Facebook app. We'll see you guys next.